Hello everyone, I'm Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so in today's episode we're coming back to the Toshiba Satellite P850-31L, which is a Toshiba which I was sitting before, and I've seen that the charging IC was faulty. Unfortunately, I didn't check anything else, and I see now that apart from that MOSFET, which was faulty, P1203BVA, which I replaced here, so it's a new one. Yes, we've got a MOSFET here. Again, back. If you've seen the first episode, you would see that, it was desoldered, removed, I mean. But now what have happened is that the power is coming on and it's switching off. And I've checked this MOSFET here, which is, I'll show you closer, at the entry point, okay? Oh, it's blurry. Maybe here will be a bit better. So, okay. So you get a voltage coming in here, that's 12 volts, and there is this first MOSFET, okay? This MOSFET, if you would check, receives like plugging some power, of course, of 19 volts to it. Oh, come on. Yes, okay. So now, come on. So we now will have on this MOSFET coming in. Well, it should be. It was. Yeah. Okay, so something is not connecting properly. That's 19 volts coming in to the socket here, and now this is 19 volts on the MOSFET, okay, but on the second side of the MOSFET, 0, okay, so either this MOSFET is off, okay, or it's faulty. Why it's off, I don't know, but then on the next one, we don't have anything, yes, here. So in that case, what I want to do is I want to voltage inject to this board and see what I can see, so that we can see what's going on. I've got a thermal cam on. Yes, I can see that it's 22, 21, 23 is the most temp I have. Yes, so we can turn it off, and we get a thermal cam. We can plug in this coochie here. Let's do ground and let's plug in. I've set up 1.1 volt. You can just increase the amps. Okay, I'll get a magnifying glass to see where I'm poking at. Okay, I'll just double check. Okay, on the left side there is a drain, so I need to touch it to here. And now let's see. Okay, let's see on the meter. So it's already 1 volt, 0.2 amps. It's too little to get, but that's max. Okay. Now the question is, what will start to get warm? It's too little to get warm actually, so let's do something to 1 amp, I would say, because that's 19 volt anyway. That will, oh yeah, 1 amp, we're happy now. Now will we see anything? Okay, so my body temp is showing 28.7, 24, 27 is on the place where I'm touching, and nowhere else is showing that temp. It's only the temp of the touching place. It's 30 odd. Yeah. So only this place here gets warm. And how much voltage do we have now? When I'll check on this second chip, Do we have that? Yeah, we've got it. There is a volt. It's 0.89 volt. 0.89 volt. Coming in 158. So 158 is coming in. 0.89 is coming out. So this looks like some sort of voltage regulator here. Okay, so let's increase. It's a 19 volts rail, so you know, so up to 48. And we've got 133. So I would say that, ouch, this voltage regulator is bursting. Okay, wow, this voltage regulator right now is super hot, 40 degrees. Okay, so I would say there is no problem with the MOSFET, but it is a problem with this voltage regulator. So now we know, okay, what the voltage regulator is, or whatever it is, because it's looking like a voltage regulator. Without the scope I won't be able to see it. Okay, you know what we can do is I will just order it, or if I will have something similar to this, or maybe it's a MOSFET, I will check what I have in my stuff. If I will have anything, you know, that I can fit, I will just, you know, I will just use it. Yes, if I don't have anything, then I will order it. So we will have part 3 of this video. But for today, it's everything. We've got, we know that I've replaced the chip for the charging. Now it's fine. We see that the MOSFET doesn't pass 19 volts because it's shorted after that. And I've burned myself almost on the finger when I was trying to touch this next component which is behind it. So that component, you know, it's faulty. And I wouldn't say the MOSFET is, yes? So just before ordering it, I might desolder that component, put 19 volts and see if I will have 19 volts behind the MOSFET. If I will have, I will know what's the problem, yes, for sure. But that's it in this episode. You've got less than 10 minutes. Hopefully you've got some value out of it. And if possible, please do like and subscribe, because to be true, that's helping this YouTube channel. And I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers, guys. I'm really trying. And for the last few days, no new subscriber. So please help me out. Hopefully I can get, you know, closer to the 100 soon. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. If possible, please read what's on this site, or what's the Intecracy is, in the description below of this video. We're doing awesome stuff, guys, and we want to produce fixable electronics. So that's it. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.